Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. Microsoft has come out with a little blog post to mention that so there was an update that was released for 24H2, which was a preview update. And they're saying that within the next weeks, as 24H2 will possibly be launched in October, there could be a few more updates. They're still tweaking 24H2. They're tweaking some of the bugs out of it that they are sending updates for. So in between Patch Tuesday security updates and in the weeks where usually we don't have updates for Windows 11 24H2 will probably get some updates in between to fix all of that, the bugs, add features too. They're saying that they're slowly adding more features. We know that one of the things that's still not out yet is the famous new design of the start menu. So these are things that have not yet moved on. We know also that when some of those new features move on, only a subset of users get them, so not everybody will see them. But slowly they are going to tweak more and more before they release. And after the release, that will happen probably, as we said, in October. There will continue to be some updates that will tweak the different options, settings, and the different features that Windows 11 has. So we'll see what happens with that and how well it will be advanced as we go through 2025. But don't be surprised for those of you that are on 24H2 through the Windows Insider release preview that there will be a few more updates before we move on officially to the release of 24H2. So there could be as much as once a week an update. We had one last week, which is an out of cycle, if you can call it, update. But since it's still in release preview, they're not really out of cycle because an insider is you can get updates anytime to fix things and to add features, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.